Welcome back to the channel, traders. Today, we're diving deep into a fascinating stock that just flashed on our proprietary scanners, presenting a potentially compelling setup. We're talking about NXB Inc. Important disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Let's talk about NXB, or NXB Inc. Chart NXB. This company operates in the consumer cyclical sector, specifically within auto and truck dealerships, focusing on yacht and boat sales, brokerage, and servicing across the United States. It's a small cap player with a market capitalization of $53.08 million, placing it firmly in the penny stock territory, trading at under $5 a share. NXB recently triggered on multiple powerful screening strategies, indicating a confluence of bullish signals. Let's break down exactly why NXB Inc. caught our attention. First, it hit our Paloma Onsesi strategy, which translates to pre-breakout squeeze show indicator ADX. This strategy looks for a low ADX, or average directional index, an indicator that measures the strength of a trend. A low ADX tells us the stock has been consolidating tightly, implying a potential coil spring effect. NXB showed this tight consolidation, but with price already above its EM out into the 20-period exponential moving average, a popular short-term trend indicator, and crucially, volume beginning to expand. This setup suggests the stock is gathering energy for a significant move high after a period of indecision. Next, NXB also triggered our Dipping top player strategy, meaning strength from the lows. This strategy identifies stocks that are showing renewed strength after trading near their recent lows. Again, we saw low ADX consolidation, indicating the stock was building a base without a strong trend in either direction. Price was above the EM at 20, confirming short-term bullishness, and its RSI, or Relative Strength Index, a momentum oscillator measuring the speed and change of price movements, was above 50, signifying that buying pressure was gaining control. All this happened with volume significantly above its 30-day average. Finally, the dip Elmas, or diamond dip formation, picked up NXB. Chart with recent price action. This strategy identifies a stock that has experienced a pullback within a broader bearish 3-month trend but has shown a positive 1-month recovery with a dominance of buy-side volume. For NXB, this meant that despite a tough prior quarter, recent buying activity suggests a potential turnaround is underway. Technical analysis deep dive. The signal for NXB was powerfully confirmed by what we call our VWAP and EMA alignment gate. This means the stock's price is trading robustly above its VWAP, or volume-weighted moving average, an indicator that factors in volume, giving more weight to price points where more shares were traded, signifying that buyers are firmly in control. Show VWAP. The EMA alignment gate indicates that shorter-term exponential moving averages are stacked above longer-term ones, forming a classic bullish trend structure. Highlight EMA alignment. The ADX, our trend strength indicator, is above 18, which is crucial because it tells us that a true trend is forming, not just random price fluctuations. Show ADX. And the RSI, our momentum gauge, sits squarely in the healthy zone between 45 and 68. Specifically, NXB RSI is at 58, indicating strong momentum building without being overbought. To RSI. This is not an exhausted move, but rather a developing one. Finally, the sheer volume tells a story. NXB today's volume stands at 219,032 shares, an astounding 4.8 times its 30-day average volume of 45,811 shares. This significant relative volume surge confirms institutional interest and strong conviction behind the recent price action. All these factors combined are why NXB triggered now. Imagine a stock that has been quietly consolidating, like a spring coiling tighter and tighter. That's the essence of our Paloma Onsesi strategy, which NXB perfectly exhibited as it prepares for a potential explosive move. Then, consider a stock that's been beaten down but is now picking itself up, showing undeniable signs of life and buyers stepping in. This describes our Dipping top player strategy, confirming NXB comeback potential from its 52-week low of $1.70. And finally, picture a stock that's seen some selling pressure, creating a dip, but astute buyers have stepped in, turning the tide with significant buying volume. That's the dip Elmas strategy at play, suggesting NXB is shaking off its bearish 3-month trend. For NXB, the scanner entry signal price is set at $2.4774. Highlight entry. This entry makes technical sense as it's a breakout point from its recent consolidation. The stop loss level is $2.4650. This is placed just below a key support level, designed to protect your capital if the trade doesn't pan out as expected, limiting your downside. We have 3 clear take profit targets: T-point at $2.6013, TP2 at $2.7251, and TP3 at $2.8490. Highlight targets. These targets are derived from Fibonacci extensions and previous resistance levels, offering stair-step profit-taking opportunities. The risk/reward ratio on this setup is an impressive 9.99, meaning for every dollar risked, the potential reward is nearly $10. This is an exceptionally favorable ratio that signals high probability setups like NXB. Important disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing in this video constitutes financial, investment, or trading advice. Always do your own research and consult a licensed financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Looking forward, keep an eye on NXB volume. Consistent above average volume will be critical to sustain any upward move, confirming continued buying interest. Volume bars. If volume starts to dry up, or if NXB drops decisively below its CM at 1T on heavy volume, that could invalidate the setup. Also, pay close attention to the $3.09 52-week high. Breaking this level would signal significant strength, while failure to do so could lead to consolidation. NXB, Inc., with its micro-cap status, current price of $2.47, today's plus 11.46% jump, at a phenomenal 4.8x relative volume surge, presents a compelling case study for our strategies. Is currently 45.1% below its 52-week high, leaving significant room for potential upside if this momentum continues. If you found this analysis helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more unique trade setups, and let us know in the comments which stocks you want us to dissect next.